Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by ensuring your HomePod and iPhone share the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi so messages route correctly. Once done, open the Home app and enable Intercom in Home settings. This lets devices accept announcements. Choose a target now, a specific room, a single HomePod, or every HomePod, because picking scope up front saves time. You should also set who can send intercoms in settings. That prevents accidental broadcasts and keeps messages focused for family use. You can speak announcements directly. Say, "Hey Siri," intercom followed by your message. Siri routes it to the recipient you specify. Alternatively, open the Home app, tap Intercom, type or record a message, and pick a room or device. Once you select a target, Intercom delivers immediately across chosen HomePods. This is why selecting recipients matters. You can also use shortcuts to script scheduled intercoms for routines like dinner or reminders, making repeated announcements automatic and consistent. To finish, make sure volume levels are appropriate and that focus or do not disturb won't silence your intercom. Intercom respects those settings. If announcements fail, restart the HomePod first, then verify both devices use the same Apple ID and are on the same Wi-Fi network. If problems persist, update HomePod software and your iPhone iOS to the latest versions. Updates resolve many routing or permission bugs. If nothing helps, remove and add the HomePod in the Home app as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.